Hi viewers, welcome to Three Words World. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is, what is the karma for your enemies? It's a pick a pile reading, so you need to choose one pile, whichever you are drawn towards. If you think that you have multiple enemies whom you know, then you can go for multiple piles. But as always I say, give some time between the piles, okay, so that your messages can be accurate and it won't get corrupted. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose blue pile. So what is the karma for your enemies? So pile number 1, who choose blue pile. Here I think your enemies already had their karma, because this person is already learned their lessons. So now in this pile, this person learning their lessons, I think they already gone through their karma, whatever they did to you. This person in the past, they don't know how to set the boundaries. Are they misused their communication? Are they abused you? Are they hurted you with their harsh words? Basically, this person don't know how to set the boundaries, so they allow people to walk all over them. Because of that, they face some problems, and I think when they get frustrated, they misuse their communication. They may be lied to you, they may be dishonest with you. Now this person understand the things, or I think they already gone through the karma. That is also one reason why now this person learned how to set the boundaries. This person now learning to set the boundaries, strong boundaries. They are not allowing anyone. They are being honest. That is, they are trying to be honest. They are trying to be truthful themselves as well as in the situations to others. This person now don't want to entertain everyone in their life. And they maybe did some sneaky shit behind your back to cheat you, but now they stopped doing that. Maybe this person's behavior is like doing some sneaky things instead of doing in the life. That is also one reason why this person is like swords energy. Maybe in the reverse, in the past time, they don't know how to set the boundaries, so they used to do sneaky things. Instead of setting the boundaries, if they set the boundaries, if they have some limitations for the people, they no need to be sneaky. But here, this person don't know that time, that's the reason they used to behave sneaky. Now, they learned how to set the boundaries. That is also one reason why they stopped doing this sneaky shit behind the people, because they understand when they did something, this kind of sneaky shit, they are going to get that karma. That's why I am telling you, this person already had their karma. And this person finally they are learning how to love themselves. Maybe in the past they don't know how to love themselves. And they used to give love to others, to manipulate, to just get their attention, to just get their side, I can say, or to have people around them. So they used to give their cup of love to each and everyone. But now this person learned, before giving that cup to anyone, they need to give that cup to themselves. That means they understand what is self-love. Here, this person learned lot of lessons. Really, don't know what they did to you. Here I can say, with this card we can tell that they abused you, they misused their love, maybe they manipulated with their love, and they did some sneaky shit behind your back. That means they did all these things, but they already gone through that karma for whatever the wrong things they did. Now this person are learning still beautiful lessons, that how to be honest, how to be truthful, how to be strong, because how to be independent or how to be self-sufficient without depending on others. and how to set the strong boundaries where people cannot come and take the advantage of them, and how to be truthful. That is also one reason why this person stopped doing sneaky shit. They are not behaving sneakily now. They come out of this sneaky behavior and sneaky energy. Now this person learning how to love themselves before loving anyone, before giving this cup of love to anyone, how to love themselves, how to show that care, how to pamper themselves instead of expecting this love, care, pampering from others. So here I think pile number 1, whoever choose blue pile, your enemy already got their karma. They already gone through some difficult situations where universe teaching them beautiful lessons. In that process, they learn these lessons and they are applying these things. Whatever lessons they are learned, they are implementing in their life, I can say. They came out of this bad energy. They are not cheating people. They are not doing any sneaky things behind the back, and they are became self-sufficient. They are not depending on anyone for anything. Even it is for love, care, company also. They are, I think, in the past, this person may be having problems with being alone. I think rain is competing with me. And I don't know whether my voice is audible or not. So anyway, I will complete this reading, this file, and I will take some read. So this person finally, they are coming into their life, or I can say that they are taking good step towards their life, healthy lifestyle. They are having, at least building healthy lifestyle, healthy relationships, or at least learning how to build healthy relationships, how to build healthy friendships. For that, first they need to be healthy, and they are doing that. By taking care of themselves, they are doing that. They are, maybe in the past, if at all they are not taking care of their health, their beauty, their self, now they are taking care of themselves, and they understood what kind of friendship they need to have, what kind of relationships they need to entertain. So that is also one reason why this person's life is becoming healthy, I can say. So karma is, maybe they already gone through, without gone through all those things, they cannot end up in this kind of situation, or they don't learn these beautiful lessons. So now they finally learned it. So file number 1, whoever watching blue file, your person or the file, whoever enemy, that person is becoming now a very, at least they are doing good in their life, taking good steps. They already gone through their karma, so you only have to worry. So let's move on to file number 2, which is green file. So file number 2, what is the karma for your enemies? File number 2, which is green file. So here I think this person manipulated you with their love. Now, actually this person is not loving you, but they show that fake love. Maybe you are thinking this person as your friend or your guide or your suggestion, or you maybe go to that person for advice, suggestions. You may used to believe this person because they are showing lot of care, but this person is manipulating with their love. This person is manipulated you with their love. It is like maybe they are getting something from you to get that, to benefited for that. They showed this fake love. It is not true love. They showed this fake love. They maybe behave like a good friend, a good partner, or a good, maybe they are an elder person. They may be good advisor, good suggestor, but this person is a fake person. This person not having good intentions towards you, and they manipulated, or they tried to manipulate you, or they manipulated you. You know the situation, because I think they failed to manipulate it, because justice came to you. So justice served you, or I can say that this person got punished from the universe. You came to know the truth about this person. They try to manipulate you, I think. They did not reach the Ten of Pentacles. Maybe they want to reach the Ten of Pentacles. For that they started manipulating you. So with this cup of love and that fear, they try to manipulate you so that they can reach, by help of you, they can reach this Ten of Pentacle energy. But here, still they are in the Seven of Pentacle. You came to know about the truth, that they are not maintaining equal give and take, or they are simply you came to know about the truth, that they are manipulating you, or they are just giving wrong advices, giving wrong suggestions, or they don't have good intentions towards you. They are just using you for their own benefit. Finally, you came to know about the truth, and as well as, I think, you got the justice from the universe. That is also one reason why you maybe not did anything to this person physically to take revenge for this manipulation, but the universe took that step, and their karma is like this person is working on something very passionately to reach the Ten of Pentacles. I think in the regarding financial matters, they want to reach Ten of Pentacles where they can feel abundant, or at least that grounded nature, stable. They want to become stable. But here, because of this manipulation, coming out of this manipulation, you came to know about the truth, as well as universe also said it is enough now, it is not going to continue. So that is also one reason why this person failed in that. Whatever they are working on to build that Ten of Pentacle energy, they got failed in that. This person not going to receive, or this person not going to reach the Ten of Pentacle energy. If it is in the upright, they maybe get disappointed in between for some time. It is like taking pause, but it is completely in the reverse. Whatever hard work they kept, whatever efforts, time they wasted, everything ruined, I can say, or it is wasted everything, their hard work, maybe for manipulation they used it. It is for good reasons. If they invested their time, hard work for the good thing, then that will be in the success. But they used it for manipulating it. They used their time, their efforts, their hard work to manipulate it, to get benefit from it, to reach their own dreams, I can say, or their own wishes, to fulfill their own wishes. So that is also one reason why finally they got the karma, whatever they are working on, it is ended badly. They are not going to, either they already failed in it, or they are not going to successful in that. Whatever they are working towards to build that name, fame, because Ten of Pentacles is like building that name, fame, popularity, or abundance, where it is very stable, very grounded kind of energy. But this person is not going to have that anyway, because they reach it, nearly they reach it to Seven of Pentacles. If they may be little bit patient, they may be reach that 7, at least 8, 9 Pentacles also. But I think meanwhile you came to know about this person's intentions, and you stop giving them, or at least you stop believing them. You stop taking advices from them, or you stop sharing your things or taking suggestions from them. That is also one reason why they stop getting benefited from it. In that way, whatever building for themselves, it is completely gone waste. Their time, their efforts, everything gone waste. Now they lost everything, I can say here. Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. It is completely whatever till now, whatever efforts they kept, everything gone waste. Everything is wasted. So that is a karma for your enemy. Maybe this person thought that they will become stable with the help of you, by using you, using your emotions, using your kind nature. behaving like your good friend or suggester, but finally they end up broke. It is like they materialistically also they broke, in the relationship matters also they broke. They are alone. They are very much disappointed, in the sad mood. They don't have anyone to share, or they don't have anyone to come and lend that helping hand, I can say. The Seven of Pentacles means whatever efforts they kept, if at all they are working on any kind of project regarding this financial matters, that project completely collapsed. They kept lot of efforts, but the project completely got collapsed because justice got served to you. Justice served you. Maybe they are doing it from very long. It is not 1 day, 2 day, or 1 year, 2 years. This person may be doing it from very long. They may be already got some signs or some warnings from the universe to stop doing this, but this person did not care it or did not took it seriously. So finally, universe took the step, and you also came to know about the truth. So they got their karma. They lost whatever till now, whatever they built, they lost everything. If at all it is in the relationship matter, they maybe had one long lasting relationship kind of bonding with you. They thought that it is not going to disturb that. It is not going to disturb that. It is not going to end. They can manipulate you for their whole life. You are not going to find out, or you will be like a puppet in their hands, because King of Cups means manipulating someone with their love, with their emotion. Maybe they are doing emotional blackmailing also, that kind of thing. So they thought that it is going to happen whole life. They will keep you in their hands for whole life as a puppet master. You became puppet, they became puppet master, and they thought that it is going to work out. But anyway, universe is there. You came to know the truth. You came to know the truth. At the same time, universe also decided to balance the things. That is also one reason why I think here you got some good karma. You may be received your true love, and this person lost whatever they built with you. They lost everything. They lost that financial stability. They lost that love. They lost that friendship. Whatever they built with you till now, they lost everything. That is a karma for your enemy. So, let's move on to pile number 3, which was red pile. So, pile number 3, what is the karma for your enemy? So, pile number 3, whoever choose red pile. So here I think they rejected your love. It is not rejection. The thing is, this person is always in the sadness of they maybe lost their something in their life, so they simply crying over that thing, what they lost, and you are offering your cup of love to them, and this person is not looking at your cup of love, and you thought that they rejected it. Maybe they ignored it. It is not rejection. It is ignored. Why it is ignored is actually universe not allow them to look at these cups. They may be having some kind of soulmate relationship with you, 2 of cups energy. You may be thought that they were also interested in you, but here this person, instead of taking your love, instead of enjoying this cup of love, whatever having in their life, they simply crying over some opportunity, or I can say that maybe they lost something in their life. They are crying over that. But here the reason why they did it is they need to go through this this moon card. That means the awakening. They need to go through some kind of awakening. That is the reason why universe did not allow them to look at these cups. So here, why you are thinking this person as your enemy is, you may be offered this cup of love, or you stayed with this person as a soulmate. Maybe it is a friendship, maybe it is a love relationship, But this person always thinking about something or crying over something which they lost in their life. They maybe lost something, don't know what they lost, but they are crying over something without even looking at your cup of love. It is not that they are not appreciating, it is not that they are not interested in you. It is simply you may be there, you there in their life, but they may be not interested as you are interested in them. They may be thinking that you are their best friend, but you may be thinking to offer your love also, as well as friendship, love. But this person is not ready for that, because universe did not allow them to do that, because they need to do a lot of inner work, where they need to go through that awakening, that dark night of the soul. They need to complete their inner work. So finally this person completed that. Their karma is, I think here, it is not karma, it is their destiny. So pile number 3, whoever thinking, you may be thinking that they rejected your love. It is not rejection, it is actually you are not meant for them. They have destiny to meet their twin flame. In this life, they need to complete their purpose. So that is the reason why universe want to get them in the union. This is lover's card. This is completely twin flame card. So this person also don't know that time. That is the reason why instead of enjoying love, what they have in their life, they are simply crying, and that sadness lead them to this moon energy. This is nothing but dark night of the soul, where they completed that journey, that spiritual journey, or that dark night of the soul journey. Finally they met their life purpose. I can say that they maybe come to know about their life purpose. That is also one reason why they came into union with their twin flame, because before coming union into the twin flame, the both people will come to know about their purpose. So here I don't think it is like karma, but anyway, this moon period, whatever they went through, this dark night of the soul is more than a karma. It is a very difficult time. They already gone through that time. So if at all you think that for rejecting your cup of love, their karma should be, then you can take it as this dark night of the soul. But it is not karma. It is the process to get here, to get their true partner, I can say, or to meet their twin flame. It is very important, one, to go through this dark night of the soul journey. That path should be crossed. In that path they will learn a lot of lessons. They will work on themselves. They will become better version of themselves. They will understand what is their life purpose. Then only they will come into the union with their twin flame. So here, see, the thing is, I cannot say that this person is not having karma, because this moon card itself is a big karma. They go through a lot where they cannot even explain to someone what they are going through. So it is like, if at all you are thinking to how that person should have that karma to avoiding your cup of love, then they had it. But here, what I want to tell you is, don't misunderstand this person. If at all they want to be friend with you, be as a friend. Because I think they accepted you as a friend but not lover. The reason is, they have someone else. The destiny got someone else for them. So it is not their choice. It is completely decided by the divine or the universe. They can't even I think in this position, they don't even know that they are going to meet their twin flame. It is after completing this journey, only people came to know that they are going to meet their twin flame. So that kind of situation, it is completely one person is going through their destiny, and I think you are offering cup of love which is not their destiny. So you are not in their destiny, I can say that. So if at all it is related to love, then this pile is completely yours. If it is not related to love, you did not give your cup of love to anyone, then go and choose some other pile, because it is completely, you offered cup of love to someone, you thought that they are your soulmate, you had such kind of feelings towards them, that love, care, happiness, but this person is not having any kind of feelings towards you. The way you used to feel about them, they did not felt like that, because they had some different purpose in their life. So here, they completed their karma, Yeah, if at all you think, you can tell that that moon period is a karma, and finally they met with their twin flame. Now they are coming into their union, or they are already in their union with their twin flame. So here now take as it resonates, but as I said, don't mistake. If at all they are your good friend, don't lose that friendship, because they have some different purpose. You can be friends, nothing wrong in that. You can be soulmates, nothing wrong in that. But as per the purpose, they need to be with other person to fulfill that purpose, that life purpose. So it is decided by the universe, not by themselves. So if you want, you can continue that friendship. You don't need to lose this person by thinking that this person is a wrong person, or this person is not trustworthy person or loyal person, or they simply rejected you. No, they did not rejected you. It is simply they had some other destiny, or their destiny is completely different. So you need to understand in that way. Yeah, so that at least you will be having that friendship. Because here I am not sensing any negative things, evil intentions in between the both of people. You just offered love. It is also a good thing that you maybe want to stay with that person, but universe have some other plans for you. So let's move on to pile number 4, which is yellow pile. So pile number 4, karma for your enemy. So pile number 4, which is yellow pile, karma for your enemy. Actually, the thing is, this person is your soulmate, not your enemy. But the thing is, they became your enemy because they don't know that you are their soulmate. And I think they misunderstood this relationship, the soulmate kind of relationship, or they took advantage of, or I think they did something to you which they should not do. Maybe in this lifetime you maybe had this union, this person had union with you as a soulmate, because you people know each other from past lives. But instead of understanding all those things, this person thought you as you are their enemy, or anyway they made something wrong, or they did something bad. They tried to took advantage of you. Because of that, they lost that chance. Six of Cups in the reverse. They lost you. That means soulmate. You are their soulmate. They know it or not. Now you are watching. Your enemy is your soulmate, but they try to took some advantage of you, or they try to do something to you because they are very fiery, they are very courageous. Maybe because of that holding power or passion, they try to do something to you. They try to kill your self-confidence, because here I am seeing all yellows. So they maybe try to sabotage you in any way, or they try to kill your self-confidence, or they try to make you little, or I can say that they try to stop you move forward in your life. They did something. Here I cannot pull, but I am not getting. They used this passion, this courage towards you without knowing that you are their twin flame. Sorry, why I said twin flame? Actually, it is a soulmate connection. Without knowing that you are their soulmate. And I think this person felt regret about that. Maybe after they came to know about it, that they are your twin. Maybe both are twin flames, not just soulmates. This person finally realized that they lost you. After losing you. After losing you, this person came to know that you both are soulmates, or you may be having twin flame relationship kind of thing. But here I am sensing it is a soulmate, not a twin flame. And they got regretted about it, but the thing is, I think because of that, they are either they lost you already. If at all they did not lost you, they are going to lose you. and that will create a tower moment for them, which will send them in this hermit mode, where they will find the truth, or I can say that they will try to understand themselves. Maybe this person misusing this, here I'm not seeing, but this person having some kind of ego kind of thing, or because they have passion, they have courageous, so they may be using their sexual energy. Passion is sexual energy to get people, to bind people to them. In the art, they may be very behaving very egoistically, that they can get anyone in their life towards passionately or sexually. Maybe they try to do that with you also. They may be doing that from to other people. Same thing they want to do to you, without knowing that you are their soulmate. Actually, they no need to do anything, but they lost you, and that will, if at all they lost you already, they are going to end up in a hermit position. That is nothing but loneliness, complete loneliness, where one person is searching, soul searching. They question their own soul. I think this person is in the wrong path. When they met you, they are not in the right path. They are, as I said, they may be completely in the passionate energy, with passionate energy, where they are using their sexual energy to get feel motivated, feel confident, feel courageous. They are simply using their sexual energy. That kind of thing. Maybe here, without knowing that you are their soulmate, they even try to do the same thing to you. They maybe want to use you sexually, or they did something which is not appreciated. That is also one reason why when they came to know, after losing you, they understood that you are their soulmate, and they are in the regret mode. They are feeling guilty, regret, and that made them to search for their soul. Here I am sensing this person is completely in the wrong path when you met them. So pile number 4, whoever chose yellow pile, they are not your enemy, but they became your enemy. Okay, they are actually your soulmate. Without knowing the things, they are in the wrong path. They try to do something wrong to you. Because of that, they lost you. They had a chance to be with you in this lifetime, but because of that mistake, they lost you. Now, what is their karma is searching for their soul. They need to find the answers for their existence. They need to find the answers for whatever actions they are doing. They need to find the answers for their life purpose. I think losing you is their biggest lesson or biggest karma. So, if you are thinking what is the karma for your enemy, losing you is their biggest karma. I don't think, maybe universe cannot give more than that karma. More than this, they cannot give any other karma to this person. They are completely in the guilt mode, regret mode, that they lost you. They maybe, when they are with you, they felt like a kid. They had that child spirit, that kid spirit, where they used to enjoy like a kid. They used to become like a kid. They maybe had a lot of memories with you in the past life also, not just in this life. In the past life also, you may be sharing very good energy. It is like very innocent, pure energy, innocent energy, where people are not jealous about each other, where people not expecting anything from each other, where people not thinking badly about each other. That kind of child's energy, kid's energy. So here they are going to miss this chance to be with you as a soulmate. They miss that chance in this lifetime, I can say. For that, they are regretting it. They are feeling guilty for whatever they did to you. I don't think they did so much bad to you. They just misunderstood this relationship, or they just try to took advantage sexually because it is passion, Van's card. Because of their sexual energy, they try to took advantage of you, or they try to use you sexually. So in that way, they lost this chance to be with you in this lifetime, and the loss of you made them to ask so many questions, send them to this hermit position, hermit energy, where they are going to they need to find out lot of questions, because as I said, when they met you, they are in the wrong path, not on the right path. So your loss is going to set them on the right path. Maybe that is the destiny. In this lifetime, the reason why you met this person is to set them in the right path, because this person is lost their way in their life, and universe send you to show them the right path, and this is what it happened. Maybe in this process you maybe had some bad memories or bad incident, because that person misused that energy. So your loss is their karma. They don't need to have any other karma, because it is losing losing you is their karma. So let's move to pile number 4 or 5, which is white pile. Sometimes karma is completely different. That's why whoever come into our life, we should appreciate it. We should never take advantage of it. So pile number 5, whoever choose yellow pile, karma for your enemy. So pile number 5, here the karma is good things are happening in their life. I think this person is always in the fighting, or always in the conflicts, or always in their life. Everything is conflicted. In the personal life, maybe in the relationships matters, in the friendships, in the work related matters. Either this person is a conflicted person, or whomever they met, they used to create some kind of conflicts with this person. It is like a competition. They used to face a lot of competition in their life, I guess. It is not one area of life, in their life. They used to face so much competition, or people are always try to fight with them, try to compete with them. So it is a lot of conflicts in this person's life. If at all you think they are your enemy, maybe you are also one of the person who had fight with them, or who competed with them. This person's life is very much complicated, I can say, or conflicted. Their energy is always like conflicted. They are always surrounded by lot of people who is competing with you, who try to win over them. Even though this actually it is like there may be two things. This person here, wherever they are, it is like they maybe want to be in a group also. That group used to be compete with them. They are not friendly with them, because of their own nature, or because of the way they used to behave, or because of their behavior, or because of their personality. Don't know the reasons, but here they had lot of conflicts in their life, I can say. It is not an easy thing for them. They had lot of conflicts. So here I think you are watching as their enemy. So you are also one of the person who fight with them, who had fight with them, who conflicted with them, or who competed with them. Rivals, I can say. Maybe this person have lot of rivals, lot of competitors, or people simply used to compete with them. So finally, the karma for this person is everything is going to end. Death card. I think finally this person is going to defeat all their enemies. Five of Wands is like fighting with everyone. The people not understanding that person, or they are completely a different person, or maybe they are different mindset, different personality, or people simply thinking that they are triggering them, or anyway, people not friendly with them. It is like huge competition. Finally, it is going to end in their life. Death card. Everything is going to end in their life. If at all it is relationship matters, you are fighting with your family members, you may be having a lot of fightings in that relationship is going to end. And it is not good news for you. This person is going to have new beginning in their life. If it is relationship matters. Even though if it is friendships also, even though it is professional life also, this person face lot of competition. Lot of people try to knock them down, or they try to stop them, they try to create lot of obstacles. Or even in the relationship matters, maybe both are, if at all you are watching for relationship matters, if they are your spouse or love connection, you may be both people are always fighting. But here I am not sensing it is just one person, because it is whole family, group of people, more than two people. It is a crowd, more than two is crowd. So that kind of situation. And finally, everything ended in their life. It is a death card. Completely they ended everything. That if they have any kind of enemies, they defeated all their enemies. They just completed all those. Maybe they got. It is not like kind of victory kind of thing. It is like they maybe try to do something. People are stopping them. That kind of situation. Maybe they want to create something. They want to have something in their life, something new, but people are trying to stop them. Not just you, there are so many people. Maybe you are also one of the person who tried to stop them, or who had fight with them because of other reasons. Okay, maybe as I said, this person is completely different. This person is not mingled with others. There is no harmony in this group of people. That is also reason it is like messy thing, conflicted situation. But finally this situation ended and they got some new beginning in their life. They finally received that new beginning. Whatever conflicts they had in their life, they faced in their life, they completely ended that conflicts, fightings with the friends or with the group of people, with the work area, with the competition in the business area. They completely ended. I can say one way it is like they defeated all their enemies and they had this new beginning in their life. If this person is having a lot of enemies, they defeated all their enemies, they finally got that new beginning in their life, which is very stable, very grounded, very harmonious, very pure. Here, there is no purity, there is no harmony, there is no understanding, there are a lot of misunderstandings, there is a lot of jealousy, competitive spirit, evil intentions. Finally, it all ended in their life. I don't know how come this person became your enemy, or that is what. Maybe you are also one person who treated them as your competitor, or who treated them as your one of your enemy. It is simply, there is no personal grudge. Here I am not sensing any personal things. It is simply because of misunderstandings, I can say, or because of different mindsets. They may be thinking in a different way, the group of people may think in the different way. That kind of situation. Maybe that person is updated or awakened, or others are around them, people are not awakened. So when they tell something, people will fight. Some people will tell that person is right, some people will tell that person is wrong. So because of that conflicts, they are unable to move forward. they are having lot of tensions. They maybe had a lot of tensions, that conflicts, that misunderstandings, that fightings, that competition, everything ended in their life, and it is restored with new beginning in their life. They had or they are going to have some new beginning in their life, which is very stable, very grounded, very financially they are going to get abundant, or they already got abundant. If at all they are looking for new relationship, they are going to enter in it, which is good, as well as in a sense of financial matters, in a sense of relationship, because purity, it is a pure relationship. It is not having any kind of evil intentions or any kind of friends with benefit kind of thing, or taking advantage of someone. It is purely based on purity, pure souls. So there is transparency, and it is not just in the relationship form. They are going to get benefited in the professional matter, in the financial matters also. That is also one reason why it is a very grounded card, not just in the relationship, in the professional level also. They are going to become very stable, grounded. So now I don't know why you are thinking they are your enemy. I think because of their different thought or their different mindset, you may be thought that they are your enemy, but it is not that. They have, everyone will be having different opinions. And so for that, no need to fight. If it is possible, we should accept it. If it is not, leave it. No one will force you to accept someone's opinions. That is the reason we should not look for others' opinions. We should not look for validation from others. If we all do that, this kind of conflicts will come. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.